Welcome to Bigly Sales. Our mission is to give small businesses the same tools global brands are using. Today, you're going to learn how to create an email blast. An email blast is where, in a couple of clicks, you can send an email to thousands of people. Let's jump right into it. The first step when creating an email blast is clicking on the green New Blast button at the top of the homepage. The next step is to click on the email option for your campaign type. You can choose any of our available templates to get started. Once you've created the email campaign, it will automatically be saved, and you can access the template from this page. Select the main color of your email. Choose any of the options below or add the main color of your brand with the hex code. Next, search our picture library by typing any word and then select the picture of your choice. If you want to use your own picture or design, click the button Upload Image. Now let's link it to your website. Enter your website address in the bar where it says URL. For example, if you wanted to link your picture to the Bigly Sales website, you would type biglysales.com. You can add any web address. By the way, every element on the entire email can have its own website link. In the next video, we will show you how to finish the email blast. Thanks for watching Bigly Sales Tutorials.